Crypto companies are still hiring, but you may not find a job post about it. Engaging in networking are key tactics for landing a position in the industry during the crypto winter, recruiters said. 387 total views. 3 total shares. Crypto companies are still hiring but might not be actively recruiting amid the market downturn. If you are considering joining the space, however, this is still a good time to get your feet on the door, sources in the industry told Cointelegraph. While there may not be as many open roles advertised as there were last year, companies are definitely still hiring. Our clients continue to come to us for assistance with finding top talent for key hires, noted Tyler Feinerman, global head of talent for Waxman. According to data from LinkedIn, over 7,200 job positions were listed in October in the United States. Also, the number of monthly jobs posted on blockchain job site CryptoJobs list in September is back to the same level as 1 year ago. The limited pool of talent still represents a challenge for companies in the space, said Feinerman, even with the wave of layoffs that slashed over 11,000 positions in the past 6 months. Unfortunately, several crypto exchanges announced big layoffs recently. At Coinbase 18%, at Gemini 10%, at Crypto.com 5%, at BlockFi 20%. Despite all this, several of our hiring partners are still looking for devs. Rust, Solidity, React, Node.js. Envelope DMs are open. #hiring. CryptoCarriers hiring Web3 developers at _CryptoCarriers, June 14, 2022. People in the industry are wearing many hats now, explained Emily Landon, founder and CEO of the Crypto Recruiters, as more companies have slowed down the hiring process in the past months. The opportunities are still there, she said, but the bear market affected the crypto and Web3 sector in various ways. Regular job posts are less likely to be found, meaning that candidates must actively network to land a position. Joining Discord and Telegram channels, along with crypto meetups to engage with community members, remain key strategies for those who seek to work in the crypto space. I really encourage people who are interested in working in the Web3 space to attend local meetups. Tons of cities have crypto meetups that anyone can attend, and they are great opportunities to network and meet people who are already in the industry, said Feinerman. Amid the crypto winter, companies are also revisiting their priorities when hiring, with more available positions for product development roles rather than marketing and sales. Companies shift their hiring plans to focus more on developer and product roles and building, commented Waxman's head of talent. As previously reported by Cointelegraph, to keep up with the demand for professionals in the coming years, colleges and universities have started offering specialized courses to help students better understand the blockchain ecosystem, with programs at the University of California, Berkeley and the University of Wyoming among the entities targeting the workforce of the future.